In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your microphone not working in Google Chrome. This problem can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to join an important online meeting or record something directly through your browser. But don't worry, we're going to walk through the solution step by step, ensuring that you understand each detail thoroughly. To start, open Google Chrome on your computer. If your microphone isn't working, it could be due to a variety of reasons, such as settings, misconfiguration, or permission issues. First, let's make sure that Chrome is allowed to use your microphone. In the upper right corner of the Chrome window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these to open the menu, then navigate down to Settings and click on it. Once you're in Settings, you'll find a menu on the left side. You need to click on Privacy and Security. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Site Settings. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a list of permissions that websites might request from you. Here, you need to look for the section called Permissions and select Microphone. This area is crucial because it shows you which websites are allowed to access your microphone. Make sure that your desired website or application is listed here. If it's not, you need to add it by clicking the Add button and typing the web address. Also, verify that the correct microphone is selected by using the drop-down menu. Sometimes computers have multiple microphone sources, such as built-in mics and external ones, so it's important to choose the right one. If your microphone is still not working, the issue might be with your computer's settings rather than Chrome itself. On your computer, ensure that the microphone is enabled. You can usually find the microphone settings in your System Preferences or Control Panel. On Windows, search for Microphone Privacy Settings in the search bar and ensure that Allow Apps to Access Your Microphone is turned on. For Mac users, you want to navigate to System Preferences, then Sound, and make sure the correct input device is selected. Finally, update your browser if none of these solutions work. Chrome updates itself automatically, but it's good to verify this process. Return to Chrome's menu, those 3 dots, select Help, and then About Google Chrome. This section will automatically check for updates and install any necessary ones. Testing your microphone after making these changes is essential. You can do this by using online mic test tools or entering a video call to confirm everything is functioning correctly. By following these steps, you should have successfully resolved the issue with your microphone not working in Google Chrome. If the problem persists, consider restarting your computer as a last resort or reach out for more technical support to investigate deeper issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.